Wow! On third place. Third place. History. Let's see. They got 124 points. The highest. 100%.
Lot of excitement there.
Gerp!
Yay!
Congratulations.
Very nice. Very nice.
And second place, Amiga Rave, My Desire.
Oh, it's not me now!
Not you again! Not you again!
Let's go then, Sully.
Get down from there.
And as you can see, the winner is... What was it called?
Klubisk.
Klubisk by Slide. 208 points. And then you get this nice trophy and nice gaming or
We're waiting for others!
Amiga 500 mini. Huh?
There's actually a guy that really worked his ass off for this demo. It's basically, he would have been here, but he has a personal situation at the moment. So he should have been here. So this is actually for him.
Yes.
You want to say something?
That was a really good collaboration. Really fun.
Amiga!
Did he say Amiga? No, you know what, it's nice to say. These guys are Atari people. Yeah? And they make an Amiga demo and they fucking win! Yeah! That's amazing! That's amazing! Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.